You do not need any experience to start an online business. You just need to begin. My name is Moira. I run a small business from home, have been doing so for 25 years. But it's become very unpredictable, less sales, and that means less income, but the expenses remain the same. That is why I searched online and I came across my online business that I started. Well, this is the business that you do not need any experience. You do not need any tech experience. You just need to take that first step to start. You receive an automated system that does most of the work for you 24/7. You only need to put in 2 hours a day. You earn dollars and you make 100% profit. So if you are wondering what you need to do to start your own online business, you need to comment, begin, and I will send you all the information that you require to start your own online business.